I'm going to present you the Pastel Uviline. The Pastel Uviline is a UV visible spectrophotometer dedicated to wastewater analysis. It is able to measure parameters such as phosphates, nitrates, ammonia, thanks to methods using chemical reagents, and it is also able to measure parameters such as COD, BOD TOC, detergents, or nitrates, thanks to a UV method that doesn't require chemicals. Pastel Uviline is a UV visible spectrophotometer. It has a xenon lamp. The wavelength goes from 190 to 1100 nanometers. The resolution is 4 nanometers. At the back of the device there are the connections. There is a USB-B connection to plug a computer. There is a USB-A connection to plug a keyboard or a USB stick. There is a RS-232 connection to plug a printer, and there is a power supply. The accessories of the Pastel Uviline are a 5 and a 10 ml quart cell, a universal cell holder that can receive cells from 5 to 100 mm and also round tubes. It also comes with a keyboard that is very handy for text input. So the particularity of the Pastel Uviline is to be able to perform measures with or without reagents. The conventional method, also called micro method, is based on a measurement made on a sample colored with reagents. The UV method without reagents is also called spectralize. It is based on the analysis of the spectrum of the sample. The shape of the spectrum gives information to identify the elements, and the area under the curves gives information on the quantities. To see the functioning of the device, we will conduct analysis of nitrates. So first we will make the analysis with reagents, then we will see the analysis without reagents. Here is a sample of water containing nitrates, and here is a kit of reagents for nitrates. I put 3 drops of the first reagent and 3 drops of the second reagent. And then we wait 3 minutes for the reaction. Now my sample is ready. I will put it in a cell. And in the second cell, I will put the water sample without reagent. After switching on the Pastel Uviline, it makes a series of auto tests, and then we reach the list of the analysis. Then I go to nitrates, and I press Start Enter. Here I have the choice between spectralize and micro method, so I choose micro method and I press Start. Now I have to put a blank sample, so it's a water without reagent. And then I press 0. I remove the cell, and then I put the sample with reagents. And I press Start. And here is the result in milligrams per liter of nitrates. Now I will measure nitrates again, but without reagents thanks to the UV method. So I go back on the list of the method and I go to nitrate again, and I press start, and this time I choose spectralize. So first we have to make the bank with demineralized water. I press 0. I remove the cell, and then I put the sample without reagents, and I press start. And here is the result. So we have a method that gives a result in less time without the use of chemical reagents, which means earning money, saving time, but also more security because there is no use of dangerous product, and also more freedom because you can conduct more analyses without additional cost. The parameters with reagents are nitrates, COD, phosphates, ammonia, and total nitrogen. However, if you wish to measure other parameters, you can record new methods. The parameters without reagents are nitrates, COD, BOD, TOC, detergents, and suspended solid. It is possible to measure all of these parameters in just one analysis. Thank you for watching this presentation of Pastel Uviline. For more information, please visit our website www.aqualabo.fr.